Hello, welcome to Lukuman. We have k squared minus k cubic is equal to 12. What is the value of k? We begin by taking 12 to the left, and on the right hand side we will be left with 0. K squared minus k cubic minus 12 is equal to 0. 12 can be written as 4 and 3. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. We have k squared minus 4 minus k cubic minus 8 is equal to 0, removing the bracket here. 4 is the same as 2 squared, and 8 is the same as 2 cubic. This is equal to 0. From here, we shall write the difference of two squares. K squared is in the form of a squared minus b squared, or it is the difference of two squares, which is the same as bracket a minus b multiplied by bracket a plus b. In our case, our k is the same as a, and our 2 is the same as b. So k squared minus 2 squared is the same as bracket k minus 2, close the bracket, bracket k plus 2, you close the bracket. That is k plus 2 bracket k minus 2. So making use of the difference of two squares, k squared minus 2 squared is the same as bracket k plus 2 multiplied by k minus 2, and k cubic plus 2 cubic is the same as bracket k plus 2, everything bracket k squared minus 2k plus 4. This is equal to 0. So there are two possibilities. We can see k plus 2 is common, so we can factorize it out. K plus 2 is in the first part and in the second part. So factorizing k plus 2, in the first part you shall be left with the k minus 2. And in the last part you shall be left with the minus bracket k squared minus 2k plus 4. This one is equal to 0, and we close the bracket. Now the second bracket can be simplified so that we shall have k plus 2 multiplied by k. This negative and this negative will be positive, so we shall be having 3k. Then we have negative k squared, and we have negative 2 and negative 4, which will give us negative 6. This one is equal to 0. So there are two possibilities, k plus 2 being equal to 0, or negative k squared plus 3k minus 6 is equal to 0. In the first case, k is equal to 2, negative 2, taking 2 to the right, or k squared minus 3k plus 0 plus 6 is equal to 0. So the second part is a quadratic, and our a is equal to 1, our b is equal to negative 3, and our c is equal to positive 6. So the discriminant d is given by b squared minus 4ac. Our b is negative 3 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 6. So here we shall have 9. Negative 4 squared is 9 minus negative 4 times 1 is negative 4 times 6 is negative 24, negative 15. So k is given by negative b plus or minus square root of d. We have obtained our d as negative 15. So negative 3 and negative 3, negative and negative will become positive 3 plus or minus negative 1 multiplied by 15. Then we divide by 2. So k equals, so our k will be equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 15 multiplied by square root of 1. We divide by 2. Square root of negative 1. So k is equivalent to 3 plus or minus square root of 15i. This means that one of the value of k will be equal to 3 minus square root of 15i over 2. Now, also, these two are the complex solution. The only real solution we have is k is equal to negative 2. So we end k squared minus k cubic being equal to 12. So negative 2 squared minus bracket negative 2 cubic will it give us 12. Negative 2 squared is 4 minus bracket negative 2 cubic is negative 8. Is it equal to 12? 4 plus 8 is it equal to 12? Negative and the negative becomes positive. So 4 plus 8 is 12, which is equal to 12. So since now the left hand side is equal, it means that when you have k cubic, k squared minus k cubic is equal to 12. The only real solution which we have is k is equal to negative 2. So thanks so much for taking your time to study with me. Remember to follow those steps so that you don't miss the solution. For more such learning, tune to my channel. And for those who have not subscribed, kindly consider to do so. See you in the next video. Bye.